Modern art movements, breaking boundaries. Modern art movements of the late 19th and 20th centuries redefined creativity by challenging traditional boundaries and exploring new ways of expression. Movements like Cubism, pioneered by Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, shattered perspectives by presenting subjects from multiple angles simultaneously. Surrealism, led by Salvador Dali and René Magritte, delved into the subconscious, creating dreamlike and thought-provoking imagery. Abstract expressionism, exemplified by Jackson Pollock's dynamic drip paintings, embraced spontaneity and emotion over form. Meanwhile, pop art, with artists like Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein, celebrated popular culture and consumerism through bold, vibrant works. These movements reflected the rapidly changing world, offering a fresh lens through which to view art, society, and individuality. Modern art continues to inspire by questioning norms and embracing innovation.